Hello everybody, welcome. Hope you guys are doing great. Happy New Year to everybody. This is my first, I think the first video I'm going to upload to Atlantic Ocean Watch in 2024. It is late January and it's cold here at Virginia Beach at the Lynn Haven Inlet here at the Lynn Haven boat ramp and beach facility on Chesapeake Bay here in Virginia Beach by the Lynn Haven Inlet. CMA, CGM out there floating around. Hopefully they're not going to travel the Bab el Mandeb troubles over that way in the Middle East, as I think many people know. Godspeed to them from one military sailor to those civilian sailors and all civilian sailors out there. Hopefully it'll all be okay. So normally I'd be out there on the beach, folks, but it is freezing cold here today in Virginia Beach. It is ridiculously cold. I think after doing this I might drive around and drive a little bit of Uber. And before I get into the watch thing real quick, I want to address something. This channel used to be a rideshare channel. It used to be called Rideshare 757. It was like, you know, Uber 757 at one time. And for a short time, I started another channel called Virginia Beach Rideshare. I still do a little bit of rideshare, but keep in mind, a lot of videos you might see at Atlantic Ocean Watch, the old ones, they're from back when I was doing rideshare and other things I was doing on YouTube before I figured out what I was going to do and before I figured out how to have multiple channels and was trying to figure out, you know, what I was going to do. Anyway, let's get into this video for today. It's just an unboxing video because I'm going to unbox the video. Unbox the watch for you today, and then I'll come back in about a month because I think you guys know by now, those who are watching for a while, I like to do, usually in most cases, month-long reviews of timepieces, but right now it's just an unboxing. Today, right now, I'm currently wearing my Ratio Freediver. Check out the video about the Ratio Freediver. I love this watch. It's a smaller watch. I'm not normally into smaller watches on my 6.5-inch wrist, but I love this watch. This is the quartz version. There is a more expensive automatic version that I haven't reviewed yet. I may review that automatic version later on this year. I don't know yet, but this is the quartz version. But if you don't want quartz, there is automatics available. Today, I have a version of a watch that has been on YouTube before, not my channel though, but it's a different version that I haven't yet seen on other channels. Maybe somebody's already done one on this version of it, but I haven't seen it yet. I just got this from AliExpress a couple of days ago, and I was hoping that the weather would be nicer. It's freaking cold. Let me show you guys how cold it is real quick, just so you know. Hopefully you can see that. You can see my secondary phone there. Is it? Can you see it? There we go. 32 degrees. It is freezing outside. 32. And that is why I am not outside of my old Riley vehicle. Keep running, car. Keep running. Filming. Because it's just too cold. But a week of filming this is supposed to warm up some. Anyway, subscribe, like, comment, share. This company here, Berny, I think some of you all have seen Berny watches on different YouTube channels. They have a watch that I have wanted for a while with a yellow, they have one with an orange dial, one with a blue dial, whatever. But I saw another version of this particular timepiece from Berny that I wanted. And I had been saying now for months also that I wanted to have a second compressor watch on this channel. And that's what this is, a compressor watch, or compressor style watch, because there's not but so many actual compressor watches out there. So let me position my camera in such a way so you guys can see me unboxing this in my car. Again, I would do it outside, but dudes, it is freezing outside. You know, and you know, I'm chocolate, and you know, frozen chocolate, and you know, just don't no, frozen chocolate, no, I just, you know, no, just no. Okay, let's do it. Okay, Berny watch here. There's the packaging, the box. Kind of this, I don't know, gold. Nothing on the back there. Let's slide this out. There's the name again, Berny, on the front there for you. Just kind of a goldish colored box. Kind of different. There's the box, and let's pop this top off. The top is off. We'll take this foam out. Ooh, that's always a good sign. A cushy pillow, brown. It's actually, if this thing was about, I don't know, 40 times bigger, be a nice pillow to lay my head on. But yeah, here's the watch. I'll get to the watch itself in a second. Here's the Berny information here. Instruction manual, different languages. So if you speak this language here, whatever this is, you know, you're good. Of course, there's English in there, and other languages as well. And I'm looking to see if there is a warranty card. Just a quick look. Let's see if it's maybe a warranty card built into the owner's manual or something. I don't know. I don't see one. Looking in the box, I don't see anything else in the box. So I'm putting the pillow. Anyway, putting the pillow back in the box and putting this back in here so I don't lose it. And yes, here is the watch, folks. I wanted to get this version here. I saw it, now it's like it's blue. I saw it, I like the orange, and of course 2 crowns because it's a compressor watch, and she's automatic with a display case back in the back. I can already feel this rubber strap is just like, or very similar to this strap here on my Ratio Freediver. Very comfortable, but maybe even more comfortable. I can already tell that. And of course, the little tag there from Berny. And this is the model number AM339M-C, or -C for you civilians. AM339M-C is the model number from Berny. So let me take this off so I can put it on my 6.5-inch Mr. Puniverse Salty Navy Veteran Dog wrist. And let me take off this plastic. And she's already ticking. Yes, it's an automatic. Automatics technically don't tick, I know, but I think it's a term that most people can understand to say that she's working. There she is. I've got her upside down. Let me turn it the right way. I just like that color. They have a version of this, it's like the orange dial that I've seen on other channels, and I like it a lot. There's a little sticker, it's like an extra sticker they have up here on the glass there. Get that thing off of there. I don't know what that's for. Anyway, let me make sure there's not another sticker on the back where the display case back is. No, but, and you can see the rotor there. So she is automatic. And of course, the two crowns. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put her on my wrist. I'll leave in the description where I got it from on AliExpress, so you guys can go ahead and maybe pick one up for yourself if you want to, or you can wait until I do my normal 1-month review on the timepiece. I gotta figure out one of these days how to become like an Amazon, you know, how to do that stuff like the bigger YouTubers do with the Amazon stuff to get, you know, earn money off of that would be nice. And also, you know, maybe off of AliExpress, that would be nice. I don't know how that works, but you know, be nice. So she's on my wrist. She is a bit loose, like that much space there, but remember, your arm expands, your wrist expands and contracts throughout the day. I mentioned that before on several of my videos. So it's rubber, and also too, because of the temperature outside too, there's going to be a little bit of, in the rubber too, fluctuations in the rubber too, kind of doing this a little bit too. But yeah, so far so good. I like it. Is it already at the right time? Might be already at the right time. No, it's not the right time. But anyway, whatever. I like it. I can already see my first thing I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna have to go home and probably add another hole here. Again, I have a roughly 6.5-inch diameter wrist. It fluctuates as your wrist does. Some of you may notice it more than notice that on yourself, your body, more than others. And don't ask me medically why that is. I'm not a doctor. I don't know. One of you doctors can tell me out there why your wrist expands and contracts. I mean, I have a clue, but I don't truly know. But anyway, but that's it from Bernie here. This watch unboxed. Check out my other video, one of my more recent videos about this ratio freediver that I made back when it was still warm here in Virginia Beach. Still love this watch, and it's a watch that I often wear. And that's it. To go from there, and yeah, guys, thanks for watching. It is a beautiful day here, Chesapeake Beach today, visually speaking, but doggone, it's cold here at CXB, Ocean Park section of Virginia Beach. It's cold, my friends. I hope where you are, it's warm, or at least that you're warm and comfortable and safe. Have a blessed day. Thanks for watching Atlantic Ocean Watch on TikTok, Instagram, and of course here on YouTube. 1-month video review of this watch coming in about 1 month. Stay tuned for that. In the meantime, check out my other videos, like on a ratio freediver, this quartz version. There is an automatic available, but I reviewed the quartz one. Check it out. See ya.